Yo and P. Medina. What do you got there? Hmm? You get your favorite little horse? Get him, get him, get him, get him. Oh, he's just out of reach. You keep knocking him away. Good grabbing. Here, I'll help you. I'll help you. There you go. He's right there, see? Uh-oh. Good job. You got him. You got him. Good boy. He's all slippery because you slobbered all over him. You're not supposed to eat him. I think that's why he's trying to get away. Well, go get him. Go get him. You can't get him. You can't reach him. Just out of my reach. Okay, good job. Good job, Yoan. That was awesome, Papa. He can't get away from you, honey. Come on, you can get him. Oh my goodness, you're doing such a good job, Bobby. Good job. Good boy. You got him. He can't escape. I will hit your legs off. Oh my goodness. Attack of the killer baby. I like horse meat. Alright, as long as you just gum him to death, that's okay. Oh, hi.